Hi everybody, my name's Chris from Reading Town, and thank you for joining us today for Junior Times. Now today's topic is a very special kind of a food. This food, we can make butter with it, we can make oil with it. It has a lot of protein, it's very small, it makes your brain work better. It's the humble peanut. Now, not the kind of peanuts that we eat today, but we're talking about peanuts that are from a very, very long time ago, or that started from a very long time ago. So, very old peanuts found in Bolivian Andes. Bolivia is a country in South America, and the Andes is, of course, the longest mountain range in the world. Scientists have made an exciting discovery. A variety or many different a different kind of peanut, Arachis apennis, which was long thought to be extinct, has been discovered in the Bolivian Andes mountains. So just like animals, there are many different kinds of plants, of one kind of plant. Let's say there's over 10 different kinds of peanuts, and maybe one kind of peanut, they thought it was extinct. So we cannot grow this peanut anymore. It's gone forever. Scientists were thinking that. However, it wasn't extinct. They actually found this very old and very special kind of peanut. Again, this type of peanut, along with Arachis doraensis, another kind, is a different kind of peanut, is thought to be the ancestor of the peanut we know today. So ancestor is talking about what came before us. So our ancestors, your ancestors are your grandparents and great-great-great-grandparents, your ancestors who came before you. Just like these peanuts, they came before what we eat today. We eat this today, so all before this peanut, it was this ancestor peanut here. Researchers at the University of Georgia were working with the International Peanut Genome Initiative. So what they're trying to do is really look closely at a peanut and looking at the DNA and looking at the cell structure to study it more fully. When they made the rare find, the scientists were working to find out how two varieties of peanuts, how do two different kinds of peanuts of the, from great distances manage to become parents of the modern peanut. So what they're saying is this peanut was very far away and this other peanut was very, very far away around the other side of the world. How did they come and meet and make this new peanut that we eat today? After extensive research, they found the early settlers transported Arachis doraensis to the land of Arachis apennis. So these are two different kinds of peanuts. And who carried the peanuts? Did the peanuts move by themselves? No, it was early settlers. Settlers are people who move to new lands and they set up a tent and they eat what they find. They're hunter-gatherers, right? So these moving people from long time ago, they took some peanuts, this Arachis doraensis, and they took it to the land of apennis. Once the two types were in the same place, pollination started the combining process. Pollination is how a boy plant and a girl plant make a baby, a seed, how they make a seed. The modern peanut is a hybrid, is a mix of the two older types. It has 20 pairs of chromosomes or genetic material, or we can think of DNA. They have similar DNA. This is the total of the two older parent peanuts. They had 10 pairs each. So there's one pair, two pair, there's 10 pairs of DNA that are the same for these two peanuts. Okay, we have three key review questions here. First one, in which continent are the Bolivian Andes mountains located? They are located in blank. So we're talking about a continent here. We're not talking about a country like Korea or China or Japan. Continents, we really only have 7 in the world, right? We have Europe, Africa, Asia, Antarctica, North America, Australia, and the last one, it's an America, but it is South America. So we have 7 really big continents. We're not talking about countries. They're different. B, who is responsible for mixing of 2 different peanut types? Blank, brought Arachis doraenesis to the land of Arachis epeinesis? Well, we're talking about people, right? Who carried this one peanut in their pocket and who walked hundreds of miles away? Who are these people? Well, again, I said earlier, early settlers. Settlers, they are people from a long time ago, or even today, I guess, if they go to find new land with their family. So they just pick up their tent and they go to a new land and then they make the tent and wait maybe a couple of months and they keep moving, right? And early means from a long, long time ago, not recently. They brought the peanut to the other side. See, how did two different types of peanuts, the epeinesis and doraenesis, get mixed together and produce and make a modern peanut? So we have two different parents. The mommy peanut was the epeinesis, the daddy peanut was the doraenesis, right? And how did they mix? They were combined through the process of, now even with plants, we have boy plants and girl plants. And when they have to mix their pollen, which is like flower powder, you can say, when they mix together, we say that is pollination. So pollen is the flower powder that glows in the air and then it makes us sneeze. And when they mix with the different flowers and they make a seed, that is called pollination. All right? All right, we have three key review terms here. A variety of peanut, Arachis epeinesis, which scientists thought was long blank, was discovered in the Bolivian Andes Mountains again, right? So we knew about this peanut, but we thought that it was forever gone. We could not find it anymore. They were all dead, right? And another word for that is extinct. So scientists thought that they were extinct or they were just totally gone and all dead forever and ever. But that's not the case because we discovered them again. So they were not really extinct, right? They were just hard to find. B, this type of peanut, along with Arachis doraenesis, another kind, is thought to be the blank of the peanut we know today. So again, this kind of peanut, Arachis doraenesis, it came first. It was from a long, long time ago. So it's sitting here, right? So it had babies and seeds and seeds and seeds. And the modern day, sorry, it's over here. This peanut that we know today, it comes from this original peanut. So we call this original peanut the ancestor of the peanut. So your ancestors would be your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great grandmother and great-great-great-great-great grandfather. These people from a long time ago in your family, they are your ancestors. All right? C, after extensive research, they found the early settlers, blank, Arachis doraenesis to the land of Arachis epeinesis. So what these early settlers do, these early hunter-gatherers, these travelers, what did they do? They carried these seeds in their, whatever, their bags or pocket, and they moved with while they're carrying them, right? They're moving something, they're moving the seed. So another way we can say that is transport. So every day we take transportation, right? We take a car to move somewhere. We take a plane to go to a different country. So when you're moving somewhere, we say we are transporting somewhere. All right? So to review, extinct is when a plant or animal or species is totally gone and totally dead forever. Like dinosaurs are extinct. The dodo bird is extinct. We cannot find a living dinosaur or dodo bird anymore. Ancestor are the original sort of line in the family. So where the family starts from, that is called the ancestors, right? These are all ancestors. And transported is when we're moving somebody or something to somewhere different. So from A, we take it and we move it to B. All right? So next time you see a peanut butter, really ask yourself, what kind of peanut is it? Where did it come from? Because we learned today that there's many different kinds of peanuts and legumes and things like that. All right? So thank you for joining us today for Junior Times. I'll see you next time.